Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. On this one, we are going to learn how to make money online, just like a virtual market. We'll be learning how to sell premium themes and make money from them. I'll show you where to get those themes for free. I previously made a video on how to get premium themes without paying any money, but I'll still show you on this particular one. So there's a portal called wordpressthemes.com. On that portal, all the themes that are in virtual market here are there, and you can get it for free. So that's what we are going to use to download these themes. All the themes we have here, we are going to get them for free, and then have it in a folder and sell to our customers. So let's head up to the website and see what we can get. So this is the website westernthemes.com. Hit enter. This is actually how it looks like. That's the search button. You can search and get anything you want. As you can see, almost all let's just say a lot of themes, almost all the themes in the virtual market are here. So you can click anyone to see how you can uh, get to this particular one. Just click from here. You can view the theme demo to see if actually you would like to resell that particular one. You can see by the right part, those are recommendations. A theme similar to your search. So you can get like 50 premium themes or whatever you can, and then have it in a zip folder, upload to a drive. When your customer makes a purchase, you send the link to them for download, or you build your own website. After a successful payment, it will redirect a client to the page where they can download the theme. So you can see if you click there, you get to Envato Market to see the preview of the theme, how it looks like. If it looks nice for you to see, this particular one is still is not available on Envato Market, as you can see, but they still have it here for download. So if you click there, it will download to your local computer, and you compile it in a folder and sell to your clients. You can run a Facebook advert to get clients to buy your theme, target it to the WordPress designers. That's a very great way of getting customers to buy from you. In this way, you can make up to 10,000 US dollars within a month, or even more than, because Envato Market sells each theme for $59. So you can decide to sell your own for $20 since you are not buying. I see that if you are able to get 100 clients in a day, that is 2,000 US dollars, and calculate what you can make in a month. What you can make solely depends on how serious you are in searching for clients. Thank you so much, and do subscribe for more.